Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. How are you guys doing? Today I am doing great. Extremely excited to share another creation of mine with you all. It's going to be a very interesting one and I'm curious to know how it's going to turn out because I decided to work with lots of translucent balloons and add a lot of hearts, but it's not your typical foiled heart. It's satin matte looking hearts with beautiful unusual colors. I saw them online while I was browsing through all the balloon selection at Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company and they looked gorgeous. I got them and I really want to see and know how they're going to look in real life. I hope they're not going to disappoint and they're going to be even better than I expected. All of the balloons, as I said, I got from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. Go check them out. They have a huge selection of balloons from different companies. I mean, lots and lots of good stuff. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This code is valid for your first purchase and if you're a new customer to Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. This code is an affiliate code. It's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. They are still open for pickup. If you're going to order online, everything's going to be shipped to you. So you choose, you pick. If you're local, you can stop by and pick it up. If not, as I said, everything will be shipped to you. Alrighty guys, without any further ado, let's just go. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. And yes, let's go. Here is what I decided to use in today's setup. I am still not sure about my latex coral balloons over here. I might not use it, I might use it, we'll see. Here I have these beautiful matte looking foiled balloons. You guys, they are so pretty. This is purple and pink. On top of all this, I am planning to use curling ribbon, low temperature glue gun, some glue dots, and if anything else will be used on top, I'll let you know. So you guys, things can change quickly over here. I decided that I'm not going to use clear latex balloons anymore. I really want to try something very different from anything else that I've ever done on my channel with balloons. So I am keeping my hard balloons and I am using this grid over here behind me. I bought this grid at AliExpress website. I will link it in the description under the video and it's gonna be quite an experience. Stay with me. I'm excited to see what I'm gonna come up with. Let's go. I am using my hand pump to blow all of my foiled balloons because all of the foiled balloons, self-sealing balloons, orbs balloons, they have this plastic insert in them. If you're going to be using warm electric balloon pump to blow your self-sealing balloons, you have a chance that you can melt this plastic insert and your balloons basically will be ruined because they will be losing air little by little and yeah, it's kind of pointless going and trying to fill it in because they're going to lose air anyways. So with a hand pump, it's going to take just a tiny bit longer, but you'll be sure that your balloons will be okay. How pretty are these balloons? Color, I love it. So this is the next day and I kind of started off camera yesterday but it was way too late, so I decided to leave everything, come back with fresh mind, fresh ideas and finish this off. So here I'm going to show you how I attached these two hearts. Pretty easy, just with some tape, and afterwards I'm going to make these clusters of balloons, a pretty bold color for these two colors, right? And I'm going to fill in spaces just like this. We'll see. I hope everything's going to be exactly how I'm thinking. So what I'm doing is I am taking a piece of tape about like what, 5 inches long. Taking my next balloon, choosing a spot where I want to put this balloon. For example, over here looks pretty good. As I'm pushing my balloon to the grid, I'm taking my tape and I am taping my balloon to this grid. So as you can see here, I am taping this balloon from in one hole or through one hole, and then taping it right on top through another hole. So this is what I'm going to do to every heart. Be careful with your edges on this frame because it's very sharp. It can rip your shirt or it can pop your balloon. So don't come close to these sharp edges. If you've seen my review on this grid, you know what I'm talking about. So let's go. And you guys, don't worry about these tails now, or you can do it right away. I just left them and I'm gonna fix them later if they're gonna be kind of visible at the very end. I'll tape them to the back of my balloon so everything will be nice and neat. What? Oh no! Let me remove.
Oh.
With this. Hard base is ready. I really like how it looks. To fill in spaces on my grid over here, as you can see, there's a lot of spaces instead of my balloons because I'm not sure about them. I don't think this color complements other colors that well. I want to take a whole bunch of greeneries and flowers, neutral or keeping it closer to the color scheme over here, and fill in spaces with my greenery and flowers around my grid. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. You don't need to do much to add greenery. Just go through your grid with this greenery stem. Take the stem from the back and weave it into that grid, and your greenery will hold very, very well. Let's do exactly the same to this bunch of flowers and greeneries, and I am excited to see what it's gonna look like. What do you think?
Oh my goodness. It's definitely double stuffed.
It's not double stuffed on, it's just matte satin looking balloons.
Oh, okay.
But overall, what do you think?
There's a lot going on.
A lot going on?
A lot going on.
This is pretty.
Makes me want to have a pizza.
Okay. And here is what I have for you guys today. Look at this beautiful, beautiful balloon setup. How stunning. It looks very elegant, very complicated at first, when it's not complicated at all. It took me about 2 hours to make this whole thing, and it was just me, and then Ole came in to help me tape these balloons. Helper will definitely help because it's not that comfortable holding a balloon and taping, trying to find the way, you know, how to get in the back and tape it. If you're gonna have a helper from a very beginning, I bet you can finish this up in an hour and done. I used 20 pink balloons, 20 purple balloons. I unfortunately lost 4 balloons. 3 of them were popped against sharp corners when I cut my zip ties. I left sharp corners and I punctured 3 balloons by those corners. This balloon over here, unfortunately, this balloon is deflating and losing air little by little. I am happy to know that this is the only balloon that is deflating on its own without my help popping it, because I inflated these balloons and left them overnight, came back, and this was the only balloon that deflated overnight. So my conclusion about all these balloons, they are great quality. They do hold air very, very nicely. I taped them, as I told you, with my tape. I weaved my flowers in my grid, and voila, you have one beautiful setup. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, and a few pictures will be there as well. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful and inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to be there and help you out to the best of my abilities. If you enjoyed this video, also don't forget to share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, interesting ideas. I can't speak today. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.